Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW i4 M50 in Alpine White with the Tacora Red Interior. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW i4 M50. There's the headlight welcome light shimmer. I just hit unlock, I've got the key here. We're going to do a lap all the way around the vehicle. And then we can take a closer look at all the details. Ooh, laser tail lights. Yeah, this car looks awesome. So let's do it. Let's take a closer look at all the details. Alpine White, the classic white. Available pretty well on every BMW, except for the 540 Legacy Edition. We've got a line that cuts down this way, a line that starts in here and cuts down here as well. Same thing on the other side. The hood itself doesn't have the rondelle, it's on the front bumper. We got the blue circle around that telling us this car is electrified. We have the new grille for the LCI. I see we've got some advanced driver assist with that radar puck down there. There's also a brushed aluminum M badge on the driver's side and a front facing cameras there as well as the two sensors at the bottom. So let's hit unlock on the key. So got the headlight welcome shimmer, and then we'll do some pathway lighting. So there's the full low beam system on, a whole bunch of LEDs, blue accents, that's all cool. And spot down here for the tow hook. Functional air going through there into the wheel wells. Snake eye design looks real good. Everyone seems to like it a lot. I like it a lot. So now that we've had a chance to look over here, let's take another closer look at these headlights. So it says BMW LED inside of there. And we've got all of these little intricate little patterns and details. And I also like that when you have the full system on, it's shining through, and there's some elements at the bottom that are like glossy that it reflects off and such. Looks cool. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch. These are the Aero Wheels Double Spoke 996M. Jet black, burnished, with the red M Sport brake back there. So that looks pretty sweet. And we've got some Pirelli P0 all-season tires on here. Our market has the reflector. We also have the sensor on the side there. M badging on the fender. We have this black detail that comes out and goes underneath both doors. There's also this matte black rocker panel at the bottom. We have black M wing mirrors, power sunroof up top, black window surrounds, so side silhouette looks really nice. We have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front and on the rear. We have the new style antenna, and we have the black spoiler on the tailgate. And there's the rear 859M wheel, and you can see that red M Sport brake back there. And now we're at the back of the car again. Let's turn on the laser tails. So BMW laser written down here, that illuminates. And I love just the way that these lines flow through each other. It's so cool. And we've got the horizontal reflectors down at the bottom, big huge diffusers. We have the BMW rondelle on the back with the integrated turn signal with the blue accent running around. There's your M50 badge. We need those laser tail lights back on for a moment. So back end looks pretty sweet. I've got the key, so you could press the button on the key, button on the trunk, or kick your foot just like I have, and we can get that to open up. We have this cargo cover which can come out. You just got to undo that first, and then we have this one here. There's some carpeted mats down here. We have your front plate bracket with a little storage area, some illumination on this side. This bag has all your charging cables, level 1, level 2. So there's the level 2, 240 volt, level 1, 115. And I'm just going to move this over. We have a little storage area on this side with a net, another illumination. If I lift this up, there's the subwoofer, and there's your little kit there with the tire inflator kit, wheel lock key, tow hook. There's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock, but a single kick underneath the middle of the car will result in the tailgate closing hands-free. Perfect. Now when we come to the passenger side, we'll find the charge port door, and you can kind of see the welcome light carpet in this lighting. So connected to the central locking system, that opens up. This is for level 1, level 2. This whole thing is for level 3 DC fast charge. Most people will be doing level 1, level 2 most often. So you see the light is white. I've got a level 2 charger here. As soon as I plug it in, it locks in. It turns yellow for a few blinks, determining if it should charge now or charge later. So now we've got blinking blue means charging now. Solid blue would mean charging later. Green means done charging, and blinking red would mean some type of connection error. So this gets locked into the car with the door locks. If you don't want to unlock the doors, but you just want to unlock the charging cable, there's a button here that you can do for that as well, just like this. So let me just shut that, and when you're done, you just shut the door here.
Oh yeah, that's a.
All right, so if I open up the back door here, which has touch comfort access, you'll see that we've got frameless surround, Gran Coupe. We have some door handle, window control, galvanic, Harman Kardon sound system, Tacora Red, ambient light strip going across, stitching here, and we've also got some pockets down here as well. Tacora Red seats. The center headrest can be flipped down. All three of them can be flipped down. Pass through and armrest in the center here. Just like that. And just like this. And up top we have a handle with a coat hanger. There's some reading lights in the center. We've also got some vents in the back of the center console, rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There are more vents down here, and we've got the rubber mats installed. So once I come out of here, let me just shut the door. And let me just open up the front door next. So once I open this up, we have Harman Kardon sound system. We also have the ambient light strip going across, galvanic controls, door pocket, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar, under the thigh extension, headrest manually adjusted as well. We have carbon fiber trim, stitching across the dash, iDrive 8.5 on the curved display. This is the new cascading ambient light design, new vent design. Down here, if I press this open, we have a wireless charger, USB-A, cup holders, 12-volt plug. You can turn the traction off. This car can slide. You have a blue push start button. There's your iDrive controller and your gear selector. And we've got the little drift knee pad cushion. We've got the cover for this. Let me lift that up. There's a USB Type-C charging port. There's also a little gap on each side so that you don't have to pinch a wire if you close that. So let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, so if we approach from the driver's side, open the door up, we got Harman Kardon. We have memory buttons down here, all 4 window controls, side mirror controls. There's also a tailgate release, aluminum M door sill, full power seat with lumbar once again. Seats look great. We have the new LCI flat bottom steering wheel, M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching. I like this 3rd spoke design, it's kind of cool. And we've got the red marker at 12. We have the head-up display, and this has the full cruise control. So we've got assisted driving plus. Also got the blue marker here on the rondel on the steering wheel. This also has self back park, self front park. And look at this. It says we've got 431 kilometers at 99%. And yeah, that's sweet. Now that we've had a look at all this stuff in the interior, Down here, we've got your pedals, dead pedals here, and right beside the dead pedal is your hood release. It's 2 pulls, 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we will not have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there's a huge engine cover, and it's not really even an engine cover because there's no engine, so it's just a piece of plastic, I guess you could call it. There's a positive and negative battery terminal to discharge the battery when our technicians want to work on the car. Washer fluid, this is for you guys to touch. Everything else, leave it to the BMW techs. We also have 2 latches into the hood. So in order for this hood to close, you just have to have it close at the same time. And this motor, or electric motor, dual motors, front and rear, we produce 536 horsepower, 586 foot-pounds of torque. It's a really powerful beast, and still has all the driving dynamics you'd come to expect from BMW. So a really interesting offer that we've come up with. So to close the hood, you want to bring the hood roughly about halfway. There's no rondelle here to put your fingers on, so literally just center down from here. Beauty. Car looks sweet. All right, so before we conclude the video, I just want to do one more lap all the way around. I really like the changes that they've made on the 4 Series for the LCI. One of my favorites, obviously, is the laser tail lights. I mean, I think I want to get a 4 Series just so that I can have the laser tail lights, to be honest. But I also like what they've done with the headlights. It's way more bold, and the new grille also looks really good. So how do you like this spec? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW i4 M50 in Alpine White with the Tacora Red Interior. We got M Sport Pro. This car looks awesome. Let me know what you think. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.